Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to recover deactivate Discord account. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Right now I'm gonna show you how to recover a Discord account, which account are just deactivated. So here you have to put your Discord account email or phone number. So I'm pasting my email here, and here you have to put your Discord account password. After giving password, click on login, and here we can see account is disabled. Now click on restore account, and here we can see my account is recovered now. This is how we can recover a deactivated Discord account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.